Quick reading for April the 21st to the 22nd, Scorpio. Your cards are the Magician, the Chariot, and the Four of Wands. This can be a manifestations of our wishes, answered prayers, request, no, kay person, either to go to another place kung kayo'y hindi na, no, in harmonious with other members of the family, pwedeng magsasarili na ng bahay, uupa ng bahay, bibili ng bahay, sana all, no, or magmamigrate, pupunta ng ibang lugar. There's something about the house, and parang structure, and also the firm foundation of the connection. Para parang karpentero ngayon si person, no, to parang gagawin ko mas matibay etong relasyon na to. Mas bibigyan ko ng pundasyon etong relasyon na ito. Kung meron man kaming mga gulo in the past, aayusin ko. Mas lalo kong ipapakita na worth it ipaglaban itong relasyon. So this is your bonus quick reading for April the 21st to the 22nd, Scorpio.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.